say that it's easy to stop comparing yourself to others. For most of us, comparing ourselves with others is a part of us. When we were little, our parents compared us to our siblings. We were in competitions where it was all about ranking top 3. We wanted that sports trophy and we were made well aware of competition when applying for colleges. But there comes a point in life when comparing yourself to others does not serve you anymore. To tell you more about it, let me narrate a story. Once there lived a potter. He made beautiful pots. Some pots were known for their awesome shapes, some for their size and looks. But among those pots was a pot, although it had beautiful shape, size as its counterpart, it had a crack in its side. For years, this pot was kept aside. Nobody liked it or bought it. Potter too ignored it. This potter had a beautiful little daughter. She used to always play with the potter's pot. Potter used to tell her not to play with pots as they might break. He used to only allow her to play with that cracked pot. She used to fill the pot with the water from their well and roam around her garden, spilling water all around. She repeated this for many days. As the years passed, once when the potter saw her daughter spilling water with the cracked pot, he decided to dump it away. The girl stopped his father, saying, "Daddy, I want you to look up at a garden which you have not noticed." Father wondered what was she about to show him. The father noticed that there was a dazzling array of beauty, color, and life in his garden. The little girl had unknowingly watered the seeds sprinkled in the garden. These seeds were duly watered every day as a result of the crack in the pot's side. And the garden that was once been barren and devoid of life was now replenished with an array of beautiful flowers. For the girl knew about the crack, but did not see it as an imperfection or as something that made it less worthy than the other pots. She just thought about it as his father's creation. Now, the father understood and began to see the cracked pot in a new light. And if the potter would have experienced this thought, indeed it would have changed the story. So, if you are knowing to do your best work and unleash your unique gifts in this life, you simply can't be concerned with how you are compared to others. That's their path. They have nothing to do with you. Here are a few ways by which life becomes so much more enjoyable when you stop comparing yourself to others. You actually begin to appreciate the progress that you make. Meanwhile, failures don't hurt as much. When you compare yourself to somebody, you don't really focus on your work. When you compare with others, we often aim to pretend we are something that we aren't. Once you free your mind of thoughts of comparison, you can get those creative juices flowing. We need to consider how our lives are shaped by the stories we tell ourselves about who we are and what we are here for. Because knowing our stories is essential for claiming our personal authority and to making a unique and authentic contribution as leaders, as we are an unique creation. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. It is I. Do watch our reels and YouTube shorts to get motivated.